Alright everyone, Jeff here with Down to RV. The wife's out of town visiting family in Missouri. I was doing a little TLC around the RV. I was putting my tire covers on so that the sun doesn't cook them. Anyway, that's not why I'm filming this today. I got to the back tire and I discovered we have a problem. Yep, that's an oriole bird. And it's built its nest on top of our tire. We leave here on Thursday and I gotta do something about it. I called a bird rescue. They said just throw away the nest because the bird will re-nest somewhere else. I asked the manager of the campground what to do and he didn't have any idea. So I'm gonna do something a little different. Rather than just cast this poor bird's nest out, check this out. I guess first we have to start off some measurements. Just have to know what I'm gonna build here. Let's go see how big the space is that she's using right now. Whoa. Suddenly we're in a hurricane. Okay, whoop, there it is. Basic design, basic measurements so I can cut the pieces. Sort of like my Power Watchdog video, I seem to always find the worst tool in the world. Today I found the worst tape measure ever made. I still can't believe the bird rescue said just remove the nest. Needed a little bit of angle. Need a hammer. Yes, it's hammer time. This is the first time I've built a bird anything in my life. Look, it almost looks like you bought it in the store, just more crappy. That doesn't matter, mine's made with love. Oh, it's the wrong size. It's the wrong size doodad. Oh. Well, that would have looked so nice. Now we have to find a workaround. Annoying. Now let's see. Oh, look at that. Now it holds its own weight. Look at that. Oh, it's already strong. And it doesn't come up inside the box. See? I put it flush. I think that's pretty damn good for somebody who doesn't know what the hell they're doing. Ta-da!
That came out good.
Yeah, look at that. Now I gotta caulk it. But What did he say? Have a gander at that. This is clear, so it'll dry clear. I'm trying. This is one lucky bird. So we just have to move her from here to here. But I don't want to move it until we leave, which is tomorrow, so that she has no other choice but to look in that box. She's watching me though. She's right over there. She's concerned. I feel bad. So we made her this nice house. All right, I'm gonna move this nest. And for the record, I didn't want to move it tonight. But my lovely wife thought it would be a better idea, so it's all her fault. Anyway, we just want to see if the bird actually moves into it. She got a batch there, look at that. And I'm gonna cover the tires so she doesn't recognize that spot. Then I'll change my battery and leave this camera here and see what happens. So such is the life of a YouTuber. I spent the time, I set up a tripod, and it took 2 or 3 hours to get the video footage of the bird actually flying into the box and finally accepting the new nesting location. Now, it's very upsetting because that footage is gone. And if you see in the earlier parts of the video, I'm actually using a second GoPro, filming closer on the table, and all that footage is gone too. Now, I think it's just because I may have lost that SD card. I don't know what happened. I even went into history and the backups and nothing. It's not even there. So, unfortunately, the grand finale of this video is missing. But I didn't want to skip it because I thought it was still a halfway decent video. I did take the time to make the bird a nice house. And I even stayed in touch with the seasonal neighbors that are there, and they say the bird actually hatched the babies from that nesting point. The campground left it alone. So at the end of the day, the mission was accomplished. I just missed that key footage that I wish I could share with you now. If it ever turns up for whatever reason, I'll be sure to put it back in this video on a second release. But for now, that's our video. Go ahead and tell me what you think. Take a minute to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.